I don't care where you are in the world right now. If you're looking to get a high paying job or if you're looking to change your career, this video is going to be perfect for you, because in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can start getting certified damn near for free in some of the highest paid jobs in tech. Guys, like I said, I don't care where you are in the world. These jobs is paying hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, and you can do it remotely, and you do not need any prior experience. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair expense to your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can start making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year and get into tech. But before we get into the video, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I'm super excited about this video because I get a lot of notifications, I get a lot of emails, I get a lot of DMs basically asking for remote jobs or high paying jobs that basically tailor to the globe, not just the United States. In today's video, I have the jobs for you. So today we're going to talk about AI or tech jobs, basically because that is the future. Now, I don't know if you know, but AI is on the course to replace over 70% of the jobs in less than 15 years, guys. So that means that the jobs that you know right now and know and love, those jobs are probably going to be replaced by AI coming shortly. So how do you beat that? You basically position yourself to be AI compliant when it comes to your career. And if you do that, you will be in the best position long term and short term to make the most money for the jobs, because that is going to be the future. The people that basically have experience and knowledge when it comes to these AI systems is going to basically make the big bucks. You can make basically $100,000 out the gate with some of these jobs just coming straight out of the certificate class, and you can make good money instantly, and you don't need any prior experience. They will basically tailor to the beginner, where you basically come into a field you don't know anything about, and they will basically nurture you into becoming a professional. And these jobs are paying like crazy. So let's dive straight in. So first thing I want to do is I want to go over to my screen, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to get the jobs, how to get the certificate, and how to basically structure it properly. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So as I was saying, guys, we're going to talk about how you can get certified and actually get the job making hundreds of thousands of dollars. I think I'm going to shock a lot of people. So this, like I said, if you are looking for any type of new field or trying to get into a field that is going to be parallel to upward mobility and high paying opportunities, this is going to be perfect for you. So the first one is going to be IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Special Certificate. As you can see, you can enroll now for free. And as I look on the side, I think that this is very interesting here because it shows you that you do not need any experience. There is beginner's level, 4 months and 10 hours a week. So that's basically the time frame that it would take for you to finish this, and that basically goes off your pace. You know, you go at your own pace when it comes to these type of certificate programs. Now, this website is called Coursera, and basically this is a website where you can go on and get so much material straight from the actual reputable companies like IBM, Google. You can go on different Microsoft. All of those companies have different courses that they basically allow you to sign up for and put you in a position to be job ready almost instantly. So you can earn a degree credit, a flexible schedule. Now this is what the course is about. What you will need: develop knowledge. What you will learn: you'll develop knowledge of cybersecurity analyst tools, include data protection, endpoint protection, SIM and systems and network fundamentals. Gain skills for incident responses and forensics with real world cybersecurity case studies. Learn about key compliance and threat intelligence topics important in today's cybersecurity landscape. Get hands-on experience to develop skills via industry specific and open source security tools. Now the skills you'll gain is information security analyst, junior cybersecurity analyst, IT security analyst, right? So that's great. See how employees at top companies are mastering in-demand skills. Prepare for a career in cybersecurity. Receive professional level training from IBM. Demonstrate your proficiency in portfolio ready projects. Earn an employer recognized certificate with IBM. Qualify for in-demand job titles, junior cybersecurity analyst and cybersecurity analyst. The median income for this, as you can see guys, is $119,000. Now I was honestly thinking about doing this course myself, just because I am into tech already, and just having this knowledge is a game changer in my field. So, but as you can see, it takes you 4 months to make $100,000. A lot of people are going to college and basically doing half of that. Doing 30 times that as far as time, just to get out and not even work in the field that they actually went to school for. So making $100,000 over a 4-month window is phenomenal. And like I said, you can go at your own pace. You can literally do this as fast as you can, depending on your pace and your style and your lifestyle and the time that you have available. I feel like this will be great. Now, as you can see, I went on Google to look at the cybersecurity, and these are people that's actually paying right now. I live in Houston, so of course the map is going to land you into Houston. But guys, as you can see, March 2024, $62.14 an hour, or $129,000 an hour. Per year. I'm sorry. Now this is Houston, $85,000 to $160,000 per year, guys. That is great money. That is medical field money. So yes, guys, definitely look into that. Now, once you get out of the program, it's a company called Upwork. Upwork is an opportunity platform that allows you to basically put your skills on there as a freelancer and basically take on jobs, private independent contractor jobs, and make tons of money. So as you can see on here, like I said, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars, guys. Like, these are people that's in the United States, and they have basically made hundreds of thousands of dollars in the field of cybersecurity. And this is a consultant. This is not even an analyst or anything like this. This is just a consultant, basically giving consulting companies on their systems and things like that. As you can see, this person from Romania, he made $300,000 on here. This person from the United States made another $30,000, made $50,000. He's just chilling. This person from India made $200,000. So it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't matter your geographical location. As long as you have the skills to pay the bills, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars in months, guys. Imagine that. Imagine going to school for 5 years and getting out and realizing that you can make twice your salary in a matter of months. Tech is going to change a lot of people's lives, and I want to bring to my channel first and foremost. So this is another one, Google digital marketing. So as you know, Google has a section where you can basically put ads on their front page, and Google is basically giving you a digital marketing certificate straight from Google, guys. Google is going to basically give you this, and that is going to be the bread and butter that's necessary for you to basically jump straight in. Now, you can attack these positions separately. You can start a digital marketing company, or you can get hired by a digital marketing company. So you can get hired as an employer, or you can as an employee, or you can become an employer. So with these skills, guys, you have a wide range of basically doing what's necessary for you to be successful, whether you want to go into a safe position or with a job, get your nice cushion salary, or you can build a business and make a lot of money starting out the gate. Digital marketing is, I don't believe it's going to go anywhere anytime soon. AI might have some interference when it comes to this, but professionals basically monitoring the AI systems is going to be the future. And if you have already trained with the algorithm of Google and what makes it tick with these type of certificates, you are already on the right track, right? So, and you can see the reviews for these as well. As you can see, this was have a 4.8, 21,000 reviews. Learn the fundamentals of digital marketing, e-commerce to gain skills needed to land an entry-level job. Measure marketing performance through analytics and present insights. Attract and engage customers through digital marketing channels such as search and email. Build e-commerce stores. Analyze online performance and grow customer loyalty. Yes, this is a lot. Now, I've seen people actually make way more money building digital marketing companies than I've seen them actually working for a digital marketing company. Now, I've seen people make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with digital marketing, and I've seen it with Dave Ramsey, but I've seen it with some of my friends and colleagues that have these type of businesses. They make great money, and it is a great opportunity for you to get in the field. And this is no experience needed. As you can see, this is beginner level stuff, guys. So they are already prepared for you not to know anything, and they're going to take baby steps for you to be successful. Now, this is 6 months to complete, and it is at least 10 hours a week, right? This is the salary for these type of jobs, digital marketing, $40,000 to $100,000 a year. I'll say the medium for that is around $67,000 starting out the gate per year as a digital marketing job. So this is a digital marketing specialist, digital marketer, digital marketing. So these are jobs. But as you can see on Upwork, from the freelancers, the digital marketer make $80,000. This digital marketer from India has made $400,000. This digital marketer makes $60,000. This digital from Mexico makes $70,000. From India, another $100,000. India, $300,000. So guys, it's a lot of opportunity to make a lot of money. And you can do both. You can do freelancing on Upwork, and you can go get a job in these fields. And these courses is less than $100. Guys, this video, give me a thumbs up just for that alone. Imagine paying $20 for a course that makes you hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars throughout the course of your lifetime. Guys, give me a thumbs up for that alone, and let's move on. So this is project management. Now, the reason why I want to do project management is because I honestly think project management is going to be one of the biggest and well-paid jobs of the future, especially people that's getting in early like this. Now, the reason I say that is because, like I said, robots is going to replace the hard bodies in warehouses and other jobs like that. And with that being said, project managers is going to be the front runner to basically manage the robot. And project managing with AI is great, and it is a game changer because you are basically positioning yourself for the future. Not only, and you don't have to wait to the future to make great money. You can start off right now and start making great money with these certificates and these courses. This is a company called Project Management Institute. You can enroll now and basically start setting yourself apart to demonstrate your commitment to project management excellence from the comfort of your workspace. Project Management Professional, the world's most recognized project management certification, incorporating traditional, agile, and hybrid concepts. Prove your understanding of project management fundamentals, process, and terminology. Build a better future for yourself in the world with the gold standard certification for construction professionals. So guys, the project management field is very wide range. You can do it with construction, you can do it with AI, you can do it with tech, you can do it with baby showers and things like that. Project management is a game changer, and it is here to stay. So guys, look into this course. It's called Data Landscape of Gen AI for Project Managers, and basically get the ball rolling. Let's see how much they actually make. So project managers make around out the gate in Texas $120 to $170, and that's a technology project manager. And this is what I'm saying, guys, you can make $100,000 instantly just in a couple months of just learning these basic programs. And you can I'm almost sure you can always enhance your education as you progress, but once you start with these programs and start getting these jobs, everything is smooth sailing from there, because all you need going forward is experience, right? Experience is better than education. Most jobs will take a 20-year experienced person over a person that had a master's degree. That's just reality. So $120,000 to $170,000. Now, this is going to change where depending on where you at, obviously, but it just shows you the range for this. Now, in the United States, it says the average project manager make $114,000. So, like I said, guys, these is medical field salaries, and you do it at the comfort of your own home, and you don't have to worry about AI taking your job in 5 years. So, project managers on Upwork, all of these jobs can be done on Upwork as well. It doesn't matter what geographical location you in, all can apply. So this guy made 4,000, 1,000, 20K, 80K, 100K, 20K. And it really just depends on what type of project manager that you are looking to get into, and the world is your oyster. Seriously, guys, these jobs is game changers. And like I said, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can sign up for these certifications and get the ball rolling. Last but not least, guys, is Google Analytics Professional Certificate, right? So basically, Google Data Analytics have a program, great reviews, 130,000 people have taken this course, 4.8 reviews, and basically you will learn to gain an immersive understanding of practices and processes used by a junior or associate data analyst in their day-to-day job. Understand how to clean or organize data for analysts and complete analysis and calculations using spreadsheets, SQL, and R program. They're going to teach you all of that. Learn key analytical skills, data cleaning, analysis, and visualizations, and tool spreadsheet, SQL-R programming. I don't even know what that is. Learn how to visualize and present data findings and dashboards, presentations, and commonly used visualization platforms. Guys, this look intense. So guys, yeah, let me know in the comment section which one that you like more. This one, median salary in the United States is $92,000. The US job openings and data analytics is $400,000. 75% of certificate graduate report positive career outcomes. So it gives you all of the breakdowns right here on the salary, the job openings currently, and the retention rate in the field. So guys, let me know in the comment section which one of these are your favorite. Let me know if you would do any of them, if not all, and let me know your plan of action going forward, guys. Until next time, take care of your credit, take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.